Howdy, fellas. Welcome back to the Smelter Workshop series by Software Mansion, me, and Side Channel. Quick refresher. Smelter consumes input streams and composes them into one or more outputs. That's the pipeline. The side channel is a second tap on it. The compositor hands already decoded frames, video or audio, straight to an external process over a local socket. No re-decoding. Frames still get copied for now, but zero-copy pure GPU handoff is already on Smelter's roadmap, and a configurable delay means whatever's listening gets each frame a beat before it hits the output. I was already doing this lately, just without the feature existing. I had a janky workaround bolted onto the pipeline, decoding the stream a second time so my Python had something to look at. Now Smelter just does it natively. I swapped one for the other on plain motion detection, and the speedup was so big, I genuinely didn't bother measuring it. Makes sense, since the old way decoded the same video twice, and the side channel decodes once. So the question stops being, how do I get video into my AI, and becomes, what do I actually do with it? 3 ideas. First one flips the input to audio. Same mechanism, decoded audio instead of frames. The sidecar runs Whisper, transcribing everything fully locally, with a small voice activity model in front of it just to catch the moment someone starts talking. And here's where that delay pays off. Each transcript comes back stamped with its spot in the stream, so the server schedules every caption to appear exactly when those words play, landing on the speech instead of trailing behind it like every bad live stream caption you've seen. The second one is video again, but a different problem. Bird's eye drone footage, cars shot from straight above. Quick war story from building this one. The standard street level YOLO weights I started with found exactly 0 cars from that angle. One swap to aerial vis drone weights, and it finds them all. The AI supplies the boxes. A shader rotates the hue inside each one. With this specific model detection, runs on CPU and only ticks a few times a second. But with motion interpolation, the color stays glued to the car, and the result, broadcasted live, is the whole street lit up like a bag of Skittles. Third, the spooky one. The video side channel feeds decoded frames to a Python sidecar running YOLO, which finds every person, and a tracker on top gives each one a stable ID across detections. Over the top, I float a pool of ghost sprites that each lock onto the nearest person and hover above their head with a scaring face. They chase at a cap speed, and when their victim leaves the frame, they stop, go calm, and drift in place, waiting for someone new. Detection runs a few times a second, but the physics run at 60 frames per second, so it glides instead of snapping. And it took almost no code, because where are the people just falls out of the side channel. So, same feature, 3 times. Audio into a transcriber, video into a detector that just feeds a shader, video into a ghost sidecar. 1 tap, 1 decode, and what you hang off it, sprites, subtitles, or a coat of paint, is up to you. And none of it's pre-rendered. It's all one live Smelter stream, broadcast over WebRTC while it happens. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.